Let's create this beautiful phone pop-out effect using Canva. I am Evelyn. I am a brand designer, Canva creator, and Canvassator. And if you want to learn more about Canva and design in general, don't forget to follow for more. Let's start. From your Canva homepage, you can click here on Create, and you can choose any size you want. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm choosing Instagram. And to create that pop-out effect coming out of a mobile phone, we are going to Elements and search here for Mobile Mockup. This is the easiest way, and if you search within frames, I think that's super easy because then you just need to insert the image there. You don't need to adjust the image to fit in the mockup, but you could choose any mockup you want. You can upload your own if you have, or you can search here within the Canva library. I'm gonna choose this one here, and I'm just going to make it a bit bigger so you can see it better from there. And now we're going to search for an image that we want to make this pop-out effect. You can, of course, upload any image you have, or you go again to Elements and let's search for a ballerina. That was something I had in mind while I thought of doing this effect, and I already love this image. This is a Canva Pro image. You don't need to use any Pro images. You can filter them here by the price and choose just the free ones if you want to, okay? So let's take this one here and simply drag and drop within the mobile phone. Now I'm going to make it bigger like this and position where I think it's going to look nice. So I want to have her hands popping out. I also want part of her dress and knee. I'll see if I do a bit more like this. You can adjust, you're seeing those grids, so you can adjust your image to be in the center or wherever your image looks fine. Where these grids are crossing, that's more attractive for the eye. Because this is very centered, I chose to fix this in the center of the grid. Now you're going to just select that image again and you're going to remove its background. Don't worry, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can also remove background using an app within Canva totally for free. I will tag here a video that I show you how you can do this, okay? Just remove it. And now this is the tricky part. You have to kind of adjust this image to fit in the image behind that. When you do this, you see the image try to enter there where the other image is. So just press Command, and now you can kind of position it better. So let me just see. The size is not perfect. We're going to make some adjustments here. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. I think this will do. This takes some practice to kind of find exactly where the other image is. What helps is zooming in, as you can see here. So now I can have a better control of where I want to put the image or where the other image is. And I think this is fitting super nice now. I am going to go here a bit more up so we don't have a double face, as you can see here, that's happening. So just go and make the adjustments till you find it's good. This is looking good. Let's go now down to see if it's fitting well. Yes, it is. Now we can reduce the zoom. And there you go. There you have the effect. As you could see, it is super easy to be done. Takes a bit practice just to fit the images together. And it has such a nice result for your posts, for social media, for something a bit different than the ordinary. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it went for you. See you in the next video.